Welcome to YCAD Wonders. This is Ganesh from Bangalore. Okay, in this video we'll discuss squares and square roots. Okay, square. What is square of a number? The square of a number is the number multiplied by the same number. For example, square of 3 is equal to, see, the number which is 3 multiplied by the same number, 3 into 3, which is equal to 9. Similarly, say square of 5 is 5 into 5 equal to 25. So in general, any square of any number a equal to a into a. So square of a number, we write it as square of 3, we write it as 3 square. So this is how we represent 3 here. So 3 square is 9. Similarly, square of 5 is 5 square. 5 square equal to 25. Similarly, square of a is a square. So a square is a into a. Okay, so we saw square of 3 is 9. Square of 3 is 9. Okay, so there is something called square root. So square root of 9 is 3. That means square root of a number is another number which when multiplied by same number gives the original number. For example, 9. So square root of 9, because 9 can be written as 3 into 3. That means we get 9 by multiplying 3 by the same number 3. Okay, so therefore we say square root of 9 is 3. See, we represent square root by the symbol. So this is the called square root symbol. Square root of 9 equal to 3. Or we know 9 is what? 3 square. Okay, square root of 3 square is 3. Isn't it? Because square of square of 3 is 9. So that is square. So 3 square is 9. So square root of 9 is nothing but square root of 3 square is equal to 3. Okay, so what does that mean? Because 3 square is what? 3 into 3. Square root of 3 into 3 is equal to 3. So that means square root of the product of two same numbers. Similarly, 5 into 5. Square root of 5 into 5 is 5. So in general, square root of a into a is equal to a. So how to find square root of 16? 16 can be written as 4 into 4. So therefore, square root of 16 is 4. And if square root of 16 is 4, square of 4 is 16. Square of 4, you write it as 4 and power 2. So 4 square is 16. So this is the basics, square and square roots. So these are all small numbers. So how to find a square root of some bigger number? Okay, in other words, let's say what is square root of square root of 6 is what? So 6 into square root of 6 into 6 is 6. Also 6 can be written as 2 into 3. So the same thing can be written as 6 is 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. So what is square root of 2 into 3 2 into 3? See, every two numbers we get a result of see this 2, this 2. So 2 into 2. So 2 square, take 1 2 out. Then there are 2 3's here. 3 into 3. So another 3. So 2 into 3 6. So square root of 36 is 6. So what is square root of 3 into 3 into 3 into 3? Again, for every 2 3's you take out 1 3. So here 3 3. So is equal to 3 into 3 is equal to 9. So what is this? 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 is what? 3 into 3 9, 9 into 3 81. So square root of 81 is equal to 9. So square root of 81, suppose we want to find how to know it's 9. So this is what? These are all prime factors. This is called prime factorization of 81. So if you prime factorize, you will be able to find the square root of that number. See, for example, let's say we need to find the square root of 144. So how to find? So for that, okay, we need to prime factorize 144. So you have already learned in earlier videos how to prime factorize any given number. So you divide 144 by any prime factor. So 144 is divisible by 2. So it is 70. So let's prime factorize 144. It's divisible by 2, which is prime number. So 7 times 14 and 2, 72. Further is divisible by 2 again. So we get 36. Again divisible by 2, get 80. Divisible by 2, 9. So divisible by 3, plus 3 also prime number. So 3 times. Then again divisible by 3, we get 1. Correct. So you keep dividing by prime numbers till you get 1. Okay, now so we know 144 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, correct? So now what is square root of 144? So I said every two factors, same factors, you take out 1, say here 2 2 3. So is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. So it is equal to 2 into 2 4, 4 into 3 12. Therefore square root of 144 is 12. Okay, this is how we find the square root of the given number by prime factorization. So this method is called prime factorization. So when so such numbers are called say square. So we when you find square root of 144, we get 12, which is a say whole number, correct, or natural number. Therefore we call 144 a square number, or it's a perfect square. Okay, so for example, square root of 10 is say 10 is not a perfect square because the square root of 10 is not a whole number. Okay, therefore 10 is not a square number. So what are square numbers? So that means say square of 1 is 1. So 1 into 1 is 1. So 1 is a square number. 2 into 2, 4. So 4 also is a square number. And 3 into 3, 9. 4 into 4, 16. Or 4 square is 16. 5 square is 25. 6 square is 6 into 6, 36, and so on. So these are all square numbers. So also it's called perfect squares. So for example 18. So what is it a square number? No. Say square numbers are 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. 18 is not a square number. But how to find? So that means if when you find square root of 18, the result will not be a whole number. Okay, let's try to find. Let's try prime factorizing 18. So divisible by 2. 9 times 9 into 2. Now 3. Again 3 times 3. 1. So square root of 18 is square root of, so because 18 is 2 into 3 into 3. Okay, so as we saw, so we need to take see here there are 3 2's here, so we will take out 1 2, but see 2 there is no pair, only 1 2 is there. So what to do? So we will write it this as a square root of 2. So 3 root 2, we call it 3 root 2. So therefore square root of 18 is 3 root 2, which is not a whole number. 3 2 is not a whole number. In fact, what is this? This is an irrational number. We'll discuss on irrational numbers, rational irrational numbers later. So 3 root 2 is not a whole number. Okay, let's see some more examples. Similarly, square root of 8. 8 is what? 8 is, if you prime factors, you will get 2 into 2 into 2. So therefore, square root of 8 is, so for these two, there is a pair here, so there will be 2 out. Then for 2, there is other 2 is left alone. So you should put it within that's square root sign, so it becomes 2 root 2. So root 8 is 2 root 2. Similarly, let's say root 12. So this can be written as what, 4 into 3, but again 4 is not a prime number. You suppose you write this as 2 into 2 into 3. So prime factor is, if 12 is prime factor is, you will get 2 into 2 into 3. So therefore square root of 12 is, so for this 2 comes out. Then for 3 there is, so it's alone. So therefore it is 2 root 3. Okay. So okay, let's take some, let's find the square root of some bigger number. Let's say we need to find square root of 1296. Okay, so let's prime factorize this first. So 1296 is divisible by 2, so 6 4 8, again 2 3 2 4, still divisible by 3, you get 1 6 2, divisible by 3, again 2, so 8 times 16 and 1, divisible by 3, because it's an odd number, it's not divisible by 2, and sum of the digits 8 plus 1 9. So 9 is divisible by 3, therefore 81 also divisible by 3. So we will get 2 times 6. So remainder 2, 21, 7 times. Again it is still divisible by 3, it's 9 times. Again 3, 3 times, 3, so once. So we have 1296 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. There are 4 2s, also 4 3s. So therefore square root of 1296 is, everything is each number is having a pair. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So 2 into 2 4, 4 into 3 into 3 9. So it is 36. So the square root of 1296 is 36. So what is square of 36? Square of 36 is 36 into 36. So multiply them. So in 36, 3, 21, then 6 into 3, 18, carry 1, so 9 plus 1, 10. So 6, 9, 2, 1. Okay, so obviously you will get this. So 1296. So square of 36 is 1296 and square root of 1296 is 36. Okay. Okay, let's see more on square roots in the next video. Thank you.